Hello, dear friend. Now we have already successfully finished the manufacture your tools for the compressor. This one is the manual compressor. Try to supply the hydraulic pressure. And oil. This one is the oil meter. Try to show you how much power the compress go up. Okay. Now from the 0 to 10, to 20, 30, 40. So this one maximum 40 ampere. 40 ampere. You can see now. Okay. This one is 40 ampere and that's 10 ampere. And as your requirement, you like to use the 15 ampere to test your soil. Now we are going to test the soil is maybe they are different from your own soil, but you can select a different soil to press. And with this one is hydraulic cylinder. We'll get the hydraulic oil from this handle, and over here, right? And over here you can see we design this part. This one is hydraulic cylinder. Okay, we'll go up here, and okay, and this one is the mold box. This one is mold. Yes, this one templates, and over here is the mold. This one another templates. Okay. Okay, put it here, and get some soil. Yes. Okay. Okay, and feed mold inside. All right. Okay, now you lock it. Okay, you remember lock it and compress. So this mold will go down, compress. At the same time, you can see the yeah. 打扰是我哈. Now it's 8, 10. We have to use 15. Okay, go on. Okay, now it's 15, 16. Okay, now the 20. 20. Okay, okay. Enough. No. Yeah. Okay, now you will remove this part. You can see, yeah. Remove this part and put here. Put here and feed inside again. Feed inside again, right? Okay. Okay, the brake is drop down. And release this one. This one is the lift up. Okay, and remove this mold. So the brakes, yeah, these pivot will get it. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very solid. You can see the side surface very solid. Very solid. Okay. All right. It's good. We are successful. We are successful for producing this one, the pivot. This testing. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. If you want to use any kind of the soil, you just select the different soil and try to set this oil meter, this oil pressure with these tools. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. The soil is over here. You can select to use a different soil to produce to test the different this one. Right. Very solid. Okay. Okay, my friend. And if you like to check is whether this tile is good enough, okay, from this top. Yeah, from this top. I think it's about 50 centimeter. Very strong. Very strong. Okay. And even this one, right? Even this one. Very good. From this top. Very good. From the 500 millimeter 500 millimeter tall. Okay, from the 600 millimeter tall. It's okay.